The pawpaw clarifying oil will lighten your skin, fade your skin discoloration, clear your dark patches and your dark knuckles. This body oil is going to help to give your skin a smooth, radiant yellow undertone. Guys, come with me. Let's talk about this small but mighty body oil. If you're ready, as I am ready, of course, like this video as we dive into the main topic. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a favorite girl here this series, and if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for always watching my video. Thank you so very much for always sticking around. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. You guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the topical today. So we're going to be talking about the pawpaw clarifying body oil, the small but mighty body oil. You guys, this is the oil I'm going to be talking about today, the pawpaw clarifying body oil. Like, I am so excited making this video because this is one of the body oil I have used in the past, and I can tell you everything you need to know about this body oil. Trust me, this body oil is a banger. This particular body oil is very good and can give you 2 to 3 shades lighter. But for you to achieve that wonderful result, making use of this particular body oil, there is procedure to it. You need to follow the right process to get the wonderful result this body oil is going to deliver to your skin. Make sure you watch this video right to the very end. You guys, one thing you need to know about this pawpaw clarifying body oil is the fact that it is made in Abidjan by the Dream Cosmetics. So whenever you want to get this product and the company there is not written Dream Cosmetics, just know that you're getting the fake of it. So this is made in Abidjan by the Dream Cosmetics. Basically, this is the same company that made the Caro White body lotion we all know. Yes. Now, the fact that it is made in Ivory Coast, particularly Abidjan, does not make the product to be a bad one. There are still a whole lot of Abidjan products that does well on the skin, and I can tell you this body oil is one of it. This is not your regular Abidjan products that contains harsh products or strong ingredients that might be harmful to your skin. No, this particular body oil comes with a different vibe altogether. By the end of this video, you can decide if you should go ahead and buy this body oil or if you should say bye to it. So now let's talk about the ingredients contained in this particular body oil. This particular body oil contains just few ingredients. Contains ingredients like the pawpaw, which is the papaya extract, as the main active ingredients used in the production of this pawpaw clarifying body oil. And what is the function of pawpaw here? Pawpaw serves as a natural ingredient used in skin lightening. Not just that, this particular body oil also contains AHA, which is the alpha hydroxyl acid, and this has been known to be a very wonderful ingredient in skin brightening. And this particular oil also contains ingredients like the kojic acid, and kojic acid is very good and essential if you want to clear your dark spots. And of course, with these 3 main active ingredients, that is the more reason why this body lotion, this body oil is going to help to lighten your skin, clear your skin discoloration, clear your dark knuckles and your dark patches, and then give you a smooth, radiant yellow undertone. Not just that, this particular body oil also contains other excipients. It also contains other ingredients. It contains propyl glycol, the petroleum jelly. That is the more reason why whenever you apply this body oil, it's going to look as if your skin is kind of shiny, to show you that yes, it glows the skin. The combination of these few ingredients and the excipient contained in this particular body oil, I can tell you that these ingredients are very safe to use in the skin. provided that you're using it the right way and you're using it at the right time. It's going to give you that wonderful result you desire. Now, talking about the benefit of making use of this particular body oil, this body oil is going to provide your skin all the benefits of the papaya extract as the main active ingredient. And this particular body oil is formulated just for adults. For some of you that will ask, can I use this for my 10 years old child? Or can I use this for my baby to lighten her skin or to lighten his skin? No, no, no. The ingredients used in the formulation of this particular body oil is going to be suitable only for adults. When I mean for adults, 18 years upward. One thing you need to know about this particular body oil is that it's not going to give you that whitish, like make your skin look so white, or maybe that's osha parapra kind of whitening. No, to help to brighten and lighten your skin in such a way that it's going to look so natural. People will not even know that you're using a lightening product, but it does not work. It is not a fast action body oil. Guys, let's talk about the consistency of this Pawpaw clarifying body oil. So here is it. This particular body oil, it is lightweight. Hope you all can see it. After applying, it penetrates right into your skin. Concentrate more on the dark area of your skin, like your knuckles, or just the same way I'm doing now. Concentrate more on those areas. Yeah, this is my knuckles. And with 1,500 naira, you can get this body oil. Like, it is so affordable. We go well for caramel to fair skin. I won't advise dark skin people to use this particular body oil, except if you want to lighten your skin. But if you don't want to lighten your skin, or maybe you just want to brighten your skin a little bit, then you can go ahead and use it. But aside from that, if you're a dark skin person and you want to maintain your skin, you want to maintain your skin complexion, you don't want to brighten, you don't want to lighten, don't go close to this particular oil, because it's going to even out your skin. It's going to lighten your skin, giving you 2 to 3 shades lighter. So with 1,500 naira, you can get this particular body oil. So guys, the next question here is, how do you make use of this particular body oil to achieve a lighter, radiant, glowy skin without giving you any sort of negative reaction? For me, I make use of this particular body oil only at night, and I will also advise you to also make use of this particular oil only at night. You can use this alone or incorporate it with your body lotion. It's going to work so effectively well. But basically, remember, use it only at night. It's not advisable to use anything lightening during the day. Using anything lightening is even going to make your skin to be more darker. It's going to cause your skin to be more darker and reddish, which then in turn leads to hyperpigmentation. And you'll be wondering, I'm using a lightening product, why is it making me dark? My dear, you're the cause. So you need to know how to use all these products to achieve a wonderful result. You can actually use this directly on your skin, or you can incorporate it to your night skincare routine. You can only use your moisturizers, your moisturizing body lotions, or your body oils during the day. Then at night, make use of your lightening product. With that being said, you're going to achieve a wonderful uniform yellow undertone skin tone. Guys, do you know the reason why I call this lotion? Sorry, do you know the reason why I call this body oil small but mighty? Because it does wonders. Like, it does wonders to the skin. If you're someone that does not like using body lotion on your skin, I will advise you get this body oil, then get the baby PS oil, mix the two of them together and be using it as your everyday body oil. Yeah, just get this and the baby PS oil or any children oil, mix the both of them together and be using it. Like, use it as your daily routine body oil. You're going to see that your skin is going to start glowing, that people will be asking you, what lotion, what cream are you using? Do you know the reason why I call this body oil small but mighty? Because it does wonders. Like, it does wonders to the skin. If you're someone that does not like using body oil, so that does not like using body lotion on your skin, I will advise you, get this body oil, then get the baby pears oil. Mix the two of them together and be using it as your everyday body oil. See that your skin is going to start glowing, that people will be asking you, what lotion, what cream are you using? So this is actually a nice combo. So guys, what do you have to say about the Pawpaw clarifying body oil? Have you used it in the past? Let's hear on the comment section. What do you have to say about this particular body oil? And if you're gonna be trying out this product later after this video, please do not forget to use this particular body oil only at night to achieve a wonderful result. My loves, I've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and of course, like and subscribe. Like, subscribe, do it right now. Subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.